don't
just
want
want
to
to look dumb on the internet, bro.
One question after.
What you say? Kind of shy?
Kind of shy still.
Bro, come on, bro. Yo, YouTube! Yo, your boy, duttyboiilee. Out there back in the public interview. Hi, hello. Can I ask you a question? No question today? Alright. Man, them know how intriguing? No? A simple 3 question may I ask you. If you can get all of them correct, you know intriguing. The dog them shy. Man, them are more shy. Anyways, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you know, say I want Dutty Boy on the app. duttyboiilee. One duttyboiilee on the app. Is it me? More everybody subscribe and think give me a strength. And we have one TK, never two on the. Are we there? Him the black of the camera. Him the black of the camera. Next time I him go on the front of the camera. You see it? So we have to find some victim enough, see if we can give a 3 grand idea. Are you give them a 3 grand or me a fuck? Yeah? Alright, but we'll find the people and forward.
Oh, you know that right thing we can do with it.
Man, send the caps and the roses, them here. And don't fuck.
Victim, ready to win 5.
Why are you running?
Yo, dog, so me have 3 questions for you. 3 little questions, bro. Simple question. If you answer all of them, you probably get the Benz out there. So, me don't know. First question, where your name? Where you far from?
My name Sugar Stick.
Is that? Oh shit!
One Sugar
What
Stick
is
on your
that?
card. You can find me as One Chops, but my soul change it to Sugar Stick.
Sky.
My name Shan.
My name Pinky.
You don't know, say Tissy. You don't know for the IG, not that Tissy world.
Mine is PGL, that's Sky with 2Y underscore.
My name PTY that underscore Leah. Anna.
Yeah.
Alright, so now them are compete for win $5,000 million. And we're gonna ask you a simple question. Nigga say we are cat bag. Alright, so 3 little question, 3 baby question. First question. What starts with E, ends with E, and only have 1 letter in it?
E.
E.
Why start with E and end with E or E, brother?
And total have 1 letter in it.
Oh.
Listen again. What start with E, end with E, and only have 1 letter in it?
No.
I'm like, you know how win the beast today, nah. Where you some G?
Like E. Like when you say E.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
One more time, listen to the question. What starts with E, ends with E, and only have 1 letter in it?
That is E. A with E. Our.
1 letter in it. Yeah, boss no brain, man.
E. E.
E?
E.
E. What start with E, end with E, and only have 1 letter in it?
Almost I.
You serious?
Almost E. What start with E, end with E, and only 1 letter in it.
Yeah.
Almost E. Half E.
Half a E. Final answer.
Yeah,
5, can you win the number?
Yeah, man.
Think about it, you know. That wrong. I give you 1 more chance.
Hold on. Why?
What start with E, end with E, and only have 1 letter in it?
Letter E. Letter E. No die.
No, God!
Final answer.
E.
E. Alright, that wrong.
Almost I. EYE.
That wrong.
I.
How school lad?
End with E. I have one letter right.
Yeah. No man, listen up.
What start with E, done with E.
I only have one letter in it.
Only have one letter right.
Mm-hmm.
That puzzling. Almost E.
Whoa!
What starts with E, ends with E, and only have one letter in it.
What?
Brother, I have E, man. Me not see no other start with E. End with E. I only one letter right. I have E.
Remember, you know, them youth are bright youth in it.
No.
One letter.
Yeah.
I don't get that one.
I know E.
I know E.
No.
I don't know what then.
Thing, but that wrong still an envelope we are look for.
Envelope. You see one letter in there.
So when you open envelope, how much letter in there?
With the open envelope.
How much letter come in the envelope?
Fully a 2, 3.
Yeah, what's the name guy?
Fully 2.
Envelope man.
Envelope.
Start with E,
Yeah.
end with E. How much letter come in the envelope?
Alright, okay.
So one letter come in the envelope. What cup you can't drink from?
No.
You know what win the beast?
Water cup.
Oh my god! Wow!
E-cup. Alright, that kind of right, but none of that me I look for.
What?
What cup you can't drink from?
Which cup you can drink from?
Which cup you can't drink from?
Me know the answer for that one. Dog. Last night somebody asked me, you know.
Which cup you can drink from?
Yeah. What?
What cup we can drink from?
Yeah.
Cup.
We dog there. Which cup you can drink from? Which cup you can drink from?
Tell the youth them to stay in a school, you see it?
And it's a cup.
You don't know enough?
Go to school and teach them thing, you know.
Which cup you can't drink from?
I don't know that one. I don't pick up that name.
What cup we can drink from? What cup we can drink from?
Yo, school not teaching them thing, my youth. I can't school not teaching them thing, dog.
Wait a second.
No, sir, I don't know the cup.
You know that one there?
No, sir, how would I?
What cup you cannot drink from?
World Cup.
Brother, cup.
Which cup you can't drink from?
Which cup you can drink from? Me no know. I swear to God, me no know.
What kind of service the money I talk about? Stay in schools, kids. You don't know? Cupcake me I look for, cupcake. I'm getting an easier one. What goes up, let off a load, and then come back down?
I go let her roll and come back down.
Yeah.
Yo, my dung still.
Yo, hold on. Siri,
I'm gonna ask Siri.
what goes up, let her follow and come back down?
Let off a load and then come back down.
Yeah.
What goes up, let off a load.
And come back down.
Hold on.
Siri don't know either.
No, man. What is about that? Goes up, let off a load and then come back down.
Yeah.
I know rocket your shot, but
Go to school.
Want to tell me here. Don't tell me. No. No tell me. Do me a big no.
that one they got me again.
Tell me.
What is it? They give up?
Ah,
How am go Google that from? Me I tell you, man.
Yo, very good.
What goes up, let off a load, and then come back down?
Elevator.
Elevator. That's the answer.
Eh,
Alright, that wrong, bro. You want to get a next try? Or next question?
next question.
Next question. Which word is spelled incorrectly in every dictionary?
The word wrong. Wrong.
You read wrong?
No?
Oh, yeah, incorrectly.
You know, use the mic.
Yo, incorrectly.
Incorrectly.
Them bright.
Hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right.
What?
No, incorrectly.
Oh, what you say?
Oh, no.
I call them here, you say.
No.
I call it here.
No, that's the answer.
No, because some people spell color different.
What?
Last question. Poor people have it, rich people need it, but if you eat it, you will die. What am I?
Repeat that.
What? Wait,
Poor people have it,
rich people need it.
rich people need it, but if you eat it, you will die. What am I?
Poor people have it, rich people need it. But you say poor people have it, rich people need it, but if you eat it, you die.
Die.
Awesome. Okay. You know, this
Wait a minute. Who are you?
Data? Where you do data?
No, you have to give your other one. The other one is too hard.
What gets wetter and wetter the more it dries? What should say? Water?
Sorry, towel.
One more time I ask you again. Poor people have it, rich people need it, but if you eat it, you will die. What am I?
Come in and know.
You give up?
Wait, no, wait.
Poor people have it.
Rich people need it.
What if me eat me all dead? No, if you eat money, you can't survive.
This is money?
No, sir.
What time ago? What time ago?
You know, up it.
It's nothing.
Brother.
Poor people have nothing. Rich people don't need nothing. But if you eat nothing, you will die. Yo, big up yourself, my dog. Make them know for them can't find you again.
IG, one sugar stick. Never two.
Never two for the girl them.
For the girl, them. Only girls, no boys.
You have successfully made it to the end of your YouTube video.
We just want to say big up to everybody who watch it to the end. If you don't enjoy the video, drop a like, drop a subscribe. You know how that goes. Come out the road, bro. You ever in the road? Jesus. Auntie, you want to answer the question? Yeah, look your friend. Alright, so we get some good reaction tonight, Tony. Some people could answer a question, them. Some people drop out of school, fell out of school. We don't know. Comment to the favorite part and tell which part you know how we go next. You don't know. One TK the black of the camera. Next time you might in front of the camera. You don't know that. But remember for subscribe, you know. Share up your thing, you know. And you don't know. Dirty Foot Gang. Why?